Greetings, guys. Welcome to this page to all who are new here. In this video, we are going to be seeing how to estimate or calculate quantities, that is, areas and volumes, using AutoCAD and Covadis. It is rather unfortunate I have not been able or I've never seen a Covadis version in English. It is always in French, but my AutoCAD, as you can see, is in English. So Covadis does not function alone. Covadis functions with AutoCAD, but I've never been opportunity to see. I don't know whether it exists a Covadis version in English. Okay, let's go. So in order for us to be able to estimate, you have a case study here. The aim is for us to estimate the quantity of ground to be removed so we could get the same level with the road. If you observe, we took a point on the road, then this is the land that was surveyed in 3D. The aim, like I said, is for us to know the quantity of ground we can remove from this land so it comes to the level of this road. So the very first thing we have to do is to calculate, because every 3D works are based on the digital terrain model, which we call in French model numérique de terrain, digital terrain model. So we are going to quickly calculate that, and then we continue with our volume. So we shall come and quickly create this, and we shall be fast here because some videos have been pasted on this page already on how to quickly configure this. Here we observe that our point has been considered as 0 point. That means in this case, we cannot calculate our digital terrain model because our software considers our point as 2D points, of which we have done a 3D survey. This happens at times. You see, we are not able to calculate a digital terrain model in this case. What are we supposed to do? So let's quickly activate our Z points. So we come to Curve Edition, on topographic points, then attribute equals Z point. Then we apply it to all points in the drawing. Validate, okay, it has calculated. Now we have these points recognized as Z point. So we shall proceed with our digital terrain models. Covadis 3D. Here we can see we are not more having zero. At this point, we're no more having zero altitude. So that has been corrected. So in this video, we've shown how you can correct such situations. Then we continue. This time we have our digital terrain model created. Now we will proceed. Now our model has been created, as we can see on our screen. Like we said, our aim is to estimate quantity of ground that has to be removed, because if we look at the altitude, we will see 752, 753, 753. If you observe well, you notice that the road is the lowest point. That's why we are bringing that land to the road level, and we are trying to estimate the quantity of ground, the volume that has to be removed. So we are going to come to cover this 3D. Like I said, I haven't seen this software in French for the moment. I'll take my cheaper please. Then I'll take one digital terrain model plus a horizontal plane. One digital terrain model plus a horizontal plane. We can also use an inclined plane, and we can use two digital terrain models. These other methods shall be seen in subsequent videos. Today we are on a digital terrain model and a horizontal plane. This is our digital terrain model, which has been taken. In fact, if we have more than one digital terrain model in a drawing, we will have the possibility to come and choose the one we are using here. In this case, we have only one, so that is why it shows this way. We are going to validate. Now it's asking us to select the perimeter we are going to use. Since our drawing has no perimeter, we are going to select the perimeter of our digital terrain model. So it's going to base the volume where the terrain model covers. So we select. Now it says select and we press enter. Now it's asking us for the altitude of our horizontal plane. Since we said we are coming to the level of the road, our altitude is 751.645. Once that is done, we press enter and it has calculated our volume as we can see. Press again, enter, and this is our report. This is our report. We have here the volume. We can see below the plane we have nothing because our road was the lowest point, so we have no volume below the plane. Then above the plane, this is our volume. So our volume above the plane. These are our surface areas, then our volume. There are other methods of calculating surface area, so the most important was the volume. So that was it for our quantity estimate. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment for subsequent videos. Thanks very much.